Okay, let's take a look at a Zippo I got in a quick trade yesterday. Now this is a genuine Zippo. Comes in a normal Zippo black box, and on the back of it it says Zippo blue and white. Zippo blue white. Of course, it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. Nothing special about the box, and you can see the blue and white pattern. It's a white matte finish, blue stripes, blue, kind of an offset design there. Now, one of the reasons I got this was for the stampings. You can see it's C of 17. This is my first 2017 Zippo. That's March of 17. And this one has a real nice sound with a steel insert. Lights up nice. So that is the blue-white 2017 Zippo. Let's do a drop test on this thing. Okay, there's the drop test, nicely passed by this blue and white striped Zippo. It's a good one, got a good sound. And since every Zippo, real Zippo, is made in the USA, it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.